Go.
Myself Anand Damani. I come from Sarvottam Polymers Private Limited, and we have been associated with Central Machinery for the past, I would say, 35 plus years. And my first machine, there are many firsts with CMP with my company. The first baby blow machine I had purchased. There was deflashing machines. The first ones I have got it. The last one is the latest one is the all electric which has come to me. So there are a lot of developments and products what we have worked on, and where I have trusted CMP, and we have bought those machines just because CMP has told that this is a good option for you, and we have gone through it. And over the years we have had a very good experience with CMP people, and they have been helpful in all regards, whether it is regarding your development or it is regarding your any different type of options what we require in the machines. And they have always been a very good associate of us. We have developed a lot of machines, and we are running almost like, in short, I would just say in the last 30 years I have just sold only 4 or 5 machines of CMP. So the machines are just good, they are sturdy. Thanks.